Have you ever found yourself navigating the exciting, yet sometimes confusing, world of cryptocurrency, specifically with stablecoins like USDT, and wondered how to get them into your Beam wallet? Maybe you're looking to explore the Beam ecosystem, dabble in confidential DeFi, or simply manage your assets in a privacy-focused environment. Whatever your reason, you've landed in the right place. The crypto space can feel like a labyrinth of different blockchains, wallets, and tokens. One minute you're on Ethereum, the next you're thinking about Avalanche, and suddenly you're trying to figure out how to bridge your assets to a completely new network. It's a common challenge, especially when you want to move a widely used stablecoin like USDT into a specialized wallet like Beam, known for its privacy features. Many users find themselves scratching their heads, asking, how do I get my stable, reliable USDT into this innovative Beam wallet? The good news is, it's not as complex as it might seem. While Beam is a unique blockchain with a focus on confidentiality, there are established pathways to get your Tether, USDT, right where you want it. This isn't just about moving numbers from one place to another, it's about unlocking the full potential of your assets within the Beam ecosystem. So, if you're ready to take control of your USDT and leverage the power of Beam, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to understand that directly adding USDT to your Beam wallet in the same way you might add it to a standard Ethereum-based wallet isn't always the most straightforward path. Beam operates on its own blockchain, and while it supports wrapped assets, the most common approach to getting stablecoin value into your Beam wallet involves either swapping existing assets to Beam or utilizing a bridge. Let's assume you already have USDT in another wallet, perhaps on Ethereum, ERC20, or a different chain. Your primary goal will be to bridge or convert that USDT to a Beam-compatible asset. The most common and recommended way to get USDT value into your Beam wallet is by using a bridging service. Think of a bridge as a secure tunnel that allows assets to travel between different blockchains. For Beam, there's an official bridge that facilitates the transfer of assets like ETH, USDT, and DAI from Ethereum to the Beam network. Here's how that process generally looks. You'll start by accessing the Beam Bridges application. This is typically found within the dApp Store section of your Beam wallet. Once you're in the Bridges app, you'll select the option to bridge from Ethereum to Beam, assuming your USDT is on the Ethereum network. Next, you'll connect your MetaMask wallet. This is crucial because MetaMask will hold the USDT you intend to bridge. Ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Ethereum mainnet and holds the USDT you wish to transfer. Within the bridge interface, you'll select USDT as the asset you want to transfer. You'll then enter the amount of USDT you wish to send to your Beam wallet. It's important to always double-check the asset ID to ensure you're bridging the correct token, as identical names can exist for different tokens across chains. You'll then be prompted to approve the token for cross-chain transfers. This is a standard step for any ERC20 token being bridged and usually only needs to be done once per token. After approving, you'll confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. This will involve a gas fee on the Ethereum network, so make sure you have enough ETH to cover it. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum side, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion, the bridged USDT, often represented as a wrapped version like BUSDT on Beam, will appear in your Beam wallet. You'll see a transaction notification in your browser, and you can also verify the completed transaction in your MetaMask Activity tab. It's vital to remember that when you're bridging assets, you're not directly depositing the original USDT into Beam. Instead, you're essentially locking your USDT on the source chain, and an equivalent amount of wrapped USDT is minted on the Beam network. This wrapped asset represents your original USDT and can be used within the Beam ecosystem. When you want to move your assets back, you'll simply reverse the bridging process. For those who might not have USDT already, or prefer a direct purchase, some exchanges allow you to buy Beam directly with fiat or swap other cryptocurrencies for Beam, which you can then send to your Beam wallet. However, for getting USDT specifically into your Beam wallet, bridging from an existing USDT holding on another chain is the most common and recommended method. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.